Are you ready to boost your trading profits with a highly effective and easy-to-use strategy? Hello everyone, welcome to the Forex Strategy Explorer channel. In this video, we will discuss a day trading strategy using auto supply and demand. This strategy can be used not only for day trading but also works well on almost any time frame. So, you can also use this trading strategy for scalping or swing trading. In this example, we will use the auto supply and demand strategy for Forex trading. But you can also use it for various assets such as gold or xauusd, crypto, stocks, or others. So, make sure to stay with us until the end of the video. And don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing to this channel. Let's get started. To use this supply and demand trading strategy, you can go to TradingView. In this example, we will use the GBP-JPY pair with a 1-hour time frame. Then, go to the Indicator Search tab. In the Search tab, type Volume Delta. Next, select Volume Delta from Hapharmonic. Now, let's configure the Volume Delta indicator. In the Input tab, set the table position to bottom center. Change the fast EMA length to 20. Change the slow EMA length to 50. Then go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, uncheck the boxes for Total To and Shape. Once done, click OK to confirm the changes. This volume delta indicator will be used as a trend guide as well as a volume indicator in the market. If the EMA cloud is navy, it indicates a bullish trend. If the EMA cloud is red, it indicates a bearish trend. When looking at the oscillator at the bottom, you will see volume bars and the confirmation table from this indicator. If the navy bars are more dominant than the red bars, it is a bullish confirmation. To be more certain, make sure the buy percentage is higher than the sell percentage. If the red bars are more dominant than the navy bars, it is a bearish confirmation. To be more certain, make sure the sell percentage is higher than the buy percentage. Now, let's add the second indicator, which will be used to guide order placement in the market. But before that, you need to know about FastBull.com. FastBull.com has just released charts that you can use for free with various advantages. One of the advantages of the FastBull chart is the multi-chart feature. This multi-chart method helps you view multiple charts simultaneously without switching tabs. To use it, you can follow these steps. First, click the plus icon on the chart list. For this example, I will use the Euro USD, xauusd, and GBP USD charts. Next, set up the charts according to your preferences. If you want to use one strategy indicator for all charts, you can set it up on just one chart. However, if you want to use different indicators, you can set them up individually for each chart. Then, right-click on the chart and select Save as Template. Note that you need to sign up before you can save templates. Don't worry, it's free with no subscription fees. After signing up, configure the indicators according to your needs. Once done, save the settings as a template. Now, select the multi-template icon in the top right corner. Then, adjust the layout as you like. In this example, I will use the tiled window mode. Once done, apply the template to each chart by selecting the pattern icon and then choosing the template we saved earlier. To use the FastBull chart, you can use the link provided in the description box. Let's continue. Now, let's add the second indicator, which will be used to guide order placement in the market. Go to the Indicator Search tab and type Supply and Demand Based Pattern. Select the Supply and Demand Based Pattern by HasanRifat. Next, configure the Supply and Demand Based Pattern indicator. In the Input tab, change the candle health percent to 24. Then, change the base max retracement to 1. Once done, click OK to confirm the changes. This supply and demand-based pattern indicator will automatically provide information about supply and demand in the form of rally-base rally or RBR and drop-base drop or DBD. If a rally-base rally or RBR signal appears, it is a buy signal. If a drop-base drop or DBD signal appears, it is a sell signal. Now, let's discuss how to place buy and sell entries using this trading strategy. How to place a buy entry. If the supply and demand indicator shows a green RBR signal, it is a buy signal. Ensure that the trend indicates a bullish trend. Ensure that the volume delta histogram shows that bullish volume is dominating over bearish volume. As confirmation, ensure that the data table also shows a buy confirmation. If all conditions are met, you can place a buy order after the candlestick closes. Place the stop loss at the last swing low. Use a take profit target with a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a sell order. If the supply and demand indicator shows a red DBD signal, it is a sell signal. Ensure that the trend indicates a bearish trend. Ensure that the volume delta histogram shows that bearish volume is dominating over bullish volume. As confirmation, ensure that the data table also shows a sell confirmation. If all conditions are met, you can place a sell order after the candlestick closes. Place the stop loss at the last swing high. Use a take profit target with a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Maintain your money management and trading psychology, as no trading strategy is truly perfect. That's it for this video, and see you in the next one.